Now adjust the back open. Click here. Click welcome on. Welcome on. And we also need to bottom open. Back. Boom. And keep inch. And it will pick one back. Turning. And stop here. This sucker is for bottom open. Look. We need to make sure that this sucker will open the bottom of the bag. So we need to adjust the position. Fix this sucker. The bottom of the bag. Just keep around 5 millimeter from the bottom. 5 millimeter. To make sure we can open the bag. 打开它。再来一个。没打开啊，现在。Now we pick up one bag again. Okay, check it. Open. Good. 没开啊。